Hello guys, welcome to this video. Let's talk today about this TP Link desktop PoE switch port. Okay, this is a quick unbox and this product is very good, especially if you want to connect some device like an IP camera or like an IP phone. This device can power the camera up to 250 meters. It has long PoE plus range, right? So let's unbox it. This is a TP Link. It's a good brand and also it's very affordable. So the device comes here in this box. And just remove this box. There we go. Here's the device. Remove from the plastic bag. And here we have it, right? So it's a TP Link switch with 6 ports. 4 of them are PoE ports. So here's the model number, TL-SF1006P, okay? There are 2 LEDs in front of the device and the other LEDs here for the ports, of course. It works with 100 or 110 or 100 megabits per second, right? As I said, for PoE plus port, okay? So it has more power here for your devices, right? Let me just take a look at what comes in the box. So here we have the cable. This is probably to connect to the power supply, which I have just right here. Here we go. That's the power supply. Then I get this cable and I connect it here. And then I connect this to the switch and I'm good to go, right? So it has the power and this rubber feet. So if you are going to use over your desk, you can put the rubber feet here, okay? Pretty nice. Let's just talk more about the switch, okay? I use switch a lot for different things here. And this one is good because I was saying you have this option here for extend port range. Usually PoE switch works with 100 meters. This one works with 250. If you just turn on here the extended port range. And also you can prioritize ports 1 and 2 if you just turn this on, okay? And of course here you power the device, 53.5 volts. That's the power supply that comes with the device, 1.3 amps, okay? And here you can put this onto a wall if you want to, just with 2 screws on the wall, and then you can put this in place. Okay, pretty good. And okay, that's about it. You can just plug your devices here. So usually you just need to connect everything and they start working, especially if you have like PoE cameras that I'm going to test in a different video here. Just connect here and have them working, right? So this is a quick unbox of the device. I hope you like it.